Okay, so that's pretty dry. And what you're going to see now is the outline of the butterfly, which I don't think you can see very well. It is there, but I don't think you can see it as well as I can. But it's going to come out. And by the way, I did not draw this butterfly. I traced this butterfly. I don't really draw all that well. And so, you know, if I want to get something precise, I trace it. Because I'll tell you, let you in on a secret here, I am not a pro by any means, and have only been doing this since the pandemic started, and I really needed something to do. And I turned to watercolor because my daughter had a bunch of watercolors left over from college. She studied some art, took some art lessons, some art classes, and I grabbed those and started painting and really fell in love with it. So I am not trying to teach anybody how to paint watercolor. I am learning how to paint watercolor. And if you want to kind of watch and maybe paint along, I mean, I will impart to you all of the wisdom that I have learned if I can. But, I mean, it's not that much. And to be honest with you, I'm just winging it and learning from other, from other people who seem to know a great deal more than I do. Anyway, there's your outline of the butterfly. And then he's got just these places like right in here. This is kind of a brown, and this is kind of a brown. I was careful to leave this section right here white, because that section is white on the butterfly, and it's opaque. You don't see through it. But everything else on this butterfly is very simple and so pretty. So pretty. Let's see here. This one goes like this. And this, and this. Yeah, and I think like this. Yeah. Okay, and then here, and here, and then like that. Isn't that pretty? And then, see over here, I have again, this is going to be brown. This part's going to be white, so I was very careful not to, paint beneath that part. And then this part's going to be brown, I think. This is... Oh, wait a minute. No, it's like this. It's like this. Okay. It's like this. And then this part right here is the white part, and then here's the brown part. Okay. So a lot of this you can see straight through. I'm going to get started though. I'm going to use this set of watercolors because they're very opaque. They're very bold colors, very pretty colors. But I need a nice dark brown. And I believe I can get that by mixing this brown with a little bit of blue, and that really darkens it up. And this part needs to be a dark brown, so let's see what we can do. Nice. See how nice and opaque these colors are? I'll have to tell you in a minute who made them and how you can get them. I mean, I just got them off of Amazon. I think I saw Emma Jane LaFave used them, and she recommended them as nice opaque watercolors and for the blending because they blend really beautifully. Watercolorists call it bleeding. The paints bleed into one another really very nicely, and so she recommended them, and I thought, well, I'll just take her up on that, and I went and looked. And they weren't expensive. And they were, you know, the colors were bright and pretty, and they do blend really nicely. It's true. Emma Jane, by the way, if you have not watched her videos, and if you are like me, you know, somewhat of a beginner, and you need some good stuff to get started, she's wonderful. And she's so cute. She's adorable. Okay, get this brown here. Just touch that up a little bit. And then we have a little bit of brown right on the inner part of this wing. And a little bit of brown here. That's my phone. Okay. And then the body of this butterfly. I mean, that's it, really. That's it. That's all of the color that's on this butterfly. Everything else is glasswing, is see-through. Okay, I'm going to paint black on the body of this butterfly. This is a really nice, deep jet black. There's his little bod. He's got a skinny waist. Been working out. This butterfly has been working out. And then he's got this little oval head. It's kind of weird. Oh, look, his little abdomen looks funny. Okay, there we go. I fixed that. That's really it. If you want, you can put some texture in the white part of the wing by just barely putting some gray in there. That's almost too much, really. It's got to be extremely light. Just a little bit of gray, just to indicate that there is something there that's opaque. Just like that. I just think that's the neatest looking butterfly. So cool. Anyway, I hope you liked it. Take a little closer look. Oh, wait a minute, that's the blue butterfly. Let's take a closer look at this one. See if I can move my camera up so you can see it. And that's, there he is. A little bit fuzzy. I'm sorry. It's a little bit fuzzy. Move this. I just have to keep moving things because I have too much in my way. There he is. I hope you enjoyed that. It's such a pretty butterfly. Give it a try, and it's super easy to do. Thanks for watching.